Today we are at the Old Chocolate House, trying out their famous giant hot chocolates. You can expect to wait about 15 minutes for a table. They have a guest book on entry. You can add your name to help pass the time. Once inside, it is an impressive interior of floral arrangements and prints, not to mention grand chandeliers. They serve food and especially hot drinks. The menu can be a bit overwhelming, but the idea is that you can pick what type of chocolate you want in your drink to customize to your taste. We grabbed a Death by Chocolate, a hot chocolate covered in M&M, Oreos, marshmallow in a really impressive tikka mugs. We also went for a normal hot chocolate with the waitress recommendation of a Vietnamese mix. You get a gigantic bowl of warm milk, an array of chocolates, and of course a whisk. It takes a bit of effort to get it to melt, but you won't get to taste another hot chocolate like it. Once you have put enough in, you get some tasty little snacks to go alongside it. Don't forget to visit their gift shop after for some treats you can take home.